Alright, we're going to start this up and we're going to listen to the noise. I'm going to shut it off real quick. Doesn't sound good to me. That noise is now coming out of the motor after I tried to start it up and it locked up on me. So I took these spark plugs out, and the one farthest to the back here on the passenger side, that cylinder was full of gasoline. So I turned it over a few times, got that out of there, and then started it up after that, and I'm getting that pretty loud rattling noise. It doesn't sound very good to me at all.